So wala si Cassie Carvalho. And looks like Arlene Wahe will not start off this game. So Acohedo, siya ngayon ang naatasan na maging setter. Nice set papunta kay Angge Poyos to put that
Energy of the Golden Tigers as Ken, no? They really start off with a strong atmosphere, that strong...
Acohedo with a good serve, disrupting the rhythm. Pinuntahan si Balingit, cross court, no problem.
Coming from Acohedo.
Right. All first deadlock of the ball game. Well, all eyes will be on Escobar for UST.
Yes.
Trying to fill out the void left by Det Pepito. At maganda naman yung pinapakita niya so far. Acohedo to Angge Poyos from the back row. No problem.
On that pipe attack. The hang time as well of Angge Poyos.
Avril Braun. I think she has a sister that plays basketball sa UST din. Service. Good quick set.
Yep.
Leads to that powerful attack.
That last sequence after that error coming from Kim Rubin.
13-8. Rubin with a nice serve again. Salvani Bumuelo. Pasok yan. 6 in the recent conquest of the NAASCO Women's Volleyball Championship.
Ooh! Eho had to adjust on that set.
Wants to have a more established net defense. Blessing Onekwe turning.
Really waited for that set to go to the middle.
Salvani rejected by Blessing Onekwe.
Just closing that gap for that how the girls would respond to that timeout.
Papaluin ni Salvani this time. Charging through.
After attack, I would say, on that one.
Mita Ramirez. Altea convert.
For that deep cross. That was a great angle of those.
Ashley Nop. Ball still alive. Can UST seal the first set? They will with that Smart Power Up play brought to you by the new Smart Power All 109. Load 95-18 against Enderan. Set number 2 brought to you by Shiki Super Delivery. Order your favorite thin crust pizza and chicken and mojos now. Angge Poyos, UST. Good first ball from Vibotor. Altea was rejected by
The attack.
si Micaela Mayon from that opposite. Poyos. Bola na'y angat. Vibotor. Nandoon yung depensa ni Marga Altea sa likod. Ashley Nop goes long.
Oh,
Taking advantage that over. Acohedo. Over reception again from Enderan. Ashley Nop, the reload. Gets it to go.
the Ashley Nop.
Having no 15-8 UST. 7 points ang kanilang lamang. Micaela Ma.
Oh, great defense.
Hinabol ni Acohedo. Managua, inako na yung third ball. Free ball for Enderan. Salvani. Poyos barely keeping that ball alive. Sa gitna,
Oh.
mababa. Now. Nahabol ni Hernandez. Pero nakaabang na yung depensa ni Embanagua.
Ni attack.
Alam niya kasi isa lang yung pupunta
yes.
ng bola eh. Santos. Nag-alangan pa eh kung bump set that rally. Nice angle from Julia Balingit. 24. Poyos. Binawi agad.
After that point being awarded to Enderan.
Botor. A rare.
Target again by V. Botor. Going on that down the line, same spot. If great block point
Si Bron.
by Avril. Short ample of time to go for substitution.
Galing talaga magpaliwanag ng partner.
Grabe.
V. Botor. Cross
Galing
court.
sa'yo yun.
Galing ba sa akin yun?
It's a great set to V. Botor there. No blockers in front of her.
Masyado mag-iisip.
Yes.
Paano mo posisyon yung sarili mo para sa palo. Acohedo umatras. Plaza. Naibalik pa ng Enderan. Ramos unable to take off cleanly. Boyos able to score. Set number 3 coming up in just a bit when we return. Rubin, jump serve. Pinalo ni Alvero. Salvani, tinawid. Rubin picks it up. Santos, set up to Gutierrez. Hinabol ni Santos. Pupunta niya si Salvani. Getting it off the hands of
Salvani. But still, just manning through that double block of the Golden Tiger.
good pass. Sa gitna, Banagua puts it away.
Activating Embanagua here at set number 3. Parang free spiking lang si Embanagua.
Laing bagay, no? Yung kanyang kawalan.
Yep.
Ashley Nop pounds it through.
Well, kasi di natin nakikita yung offense from the middle sa Enderan. So let's see if they could maximize their presence.
Ashley Nop on deck to serve. Di Kapampangan. Pinalo ni Salvani. Picked up by Escobar. Gutierrez. Barilla keeps it in play. Salvani the reload. Rubin was there.
Oh.
1-2 play. Yan ang advantage pag matangkad ng ill setter.
Now,
She's probably even taller.
but what a way for Santos to... Great pass for Enderan.
V. Botor is sent back to the friend zone.
You have Bianca Plaza and Santos in front of you. It's definitely going to be a challenge to...
Ramirez. That's a much better attack from...
True. Yun sana yung sasabihin ko, they need more of those kasi if you're up against a double blocker of the other side.
Usually nga, ikaw yung aatakihin dapat.
Yep.
Given that most of the time, it's a much smaller player as a setter.
That's true. Just going for that.
Uy! Puntos na naman para kay Julia.
Rallying and scoring point from every department. The blocking it.
Good serve again from Balingit. Alvero, tinawid.
Oh! Or rather, that was Alba.
Yeah, si Alba.
Yes.
I believe season 72 pa. Yung huling beses na nanalo sila. So, that's 16 years ago. Pero gaya na sinabi natin, lagi silang contender.
Yes.
Always. Ramirez committing a double contact violation. Unfortunately,